Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make royal icing transfers for your cakes. When you decorate your cakes, do you like to have all of your supplies and decorations ready to go? Sometimes it can be difficult to make your decorations before putting your cake together, and transfers are a great way to prepare your decorations days or weeks in advance. If you have used this method to decorate your cakes before, let us know in the comment section below. Also, let us know any other methods you use to prepare your cake decorations. Keep watching this video to see how we made our royal icing transfers and how these methods apply to buttercream. To learn more about us, be sure to watch until the end of the video. Let's get started.
Start by smooth frosting your cake with black buttercream. Color your frosting as desired and fill pastry bags fit with petal tip numbers 101 and 104. We used stiff royal icing to mimic buttercream, as we will be using this cake as a display in our store. Place a piece of parchment on your work surface to pipe the flowers on. This first section of flowers will be small rosebuds. Pipe a small section of frosting and allow this to crust over. For the next flowers, hold your pastry bag so that the skinny end of the tip is pointing toward the top. Pipe these flowers using an arc motion to create 3 peaks at the top of the flower. Use a scribe tool to help remove peaks of frosting. Go back to the first section of flowers and pipe a longer petal over the first. In the final row of flowers, pipe a small section of frosting like the first. Once all of the flowers have been piped, place them in the refrigerator for several hours to set up. If you are using royal icing to make the flowers, allow them to set up overnight. After the flowers have set up, carefully remove them from the parchment and set aside. Using green frosting, pipe the stems of each flower around the cake. Pipe a small amount of frosting on the back of the flower and attach to the cake. Go back around the cake to each flower and pipe a smaller stem connecting to the larger stem. Add the small flowers to these stems and the cake is finished.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to check out the Buttercream Decorated Cakes playlist on our channel. Be sure to comment below and let us know what projects you would like to see us create. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on our newest products, and be sure to check out our stories for upcoming projects. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts and let us know your opinions. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.